Ready to dive into the world of meme coins? Today, we're showing you how to buy Saitama Inu using Coinbase Wallet. First, download and set up your Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't already, it's a separate app from the main Coinbase exchange. Make sure to securely back up your recovery phrase. Next, you'll need Ethereum or ETH. In your Coinbase wallet, you can either transfer ETH from your Coinbase account or buy it directly within the wallet. Now, connect your Coinbase wallet to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or ShibaSwap. These are where you'll actually swap your ETH for Saitama Inu. Find Saitama Inu by using its contract address. Pay close attention to gas fees. These are the transaction costs on the Ethereum network. Adjust your slippage tolerance, usually around 510%, to ensure your transaction goes through, especially with meme coins. After the swap, add Saitama Inu as a custom token in your Coinbase wallet using its contract address. This will allow you to see your Saitama Inu balance. Remember, investing in meme coins is risky. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Good luck and happy trading. #Saitama Inu #COINBASE Wallet.